du soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog and thank you for being here. One of my goals recently is to be more active here on YouTube because it is definitely my most neglected platform, but I really have been enjoying bringing you guys along for these weekly vlogs and just giving you some more insight into my life and into just what I do every day. So, I'm currently getting ready for a dinner tonight with Nina Shoes at one of my favorite places, Laduree. If you've been here for a while, you know I love Laduree. I go there way too much. The people that work there know me and recognize me. That's how much I go. But I'm going there tonight for a dinner with Nina Shoes. They sent me some shoes and they're amazing. I actually just filmed a TikTok unboxing them. These are the shoes. How fabulous are they? So now I just spent a few minutes in my closet trying to style them out. It was a little bit difficult because it took a little bit longer than normal for me to figure out an outfit. Usually I'm pretty quick in just, throwing things together and piecing things together. So my thought process with these shoes was I need something short because the feathers on the shoe come up a little bit higher than a normal shoe. So I need a shorter skirt to keep my legs looking long. A long skirt would really shorten my legs. With the feathers, it just would not be very flattering. So, and then I wanted to pick up on the red in the shoes, make them kind of the focal point of the look, but also didn't want the look to be too crazy. And again, a shoe like that, you can't really wear pants, not a long dress, and I did like a short dress or a short skirt. So, went around, played around a little bit. I will show you my final look soon. I'm gonna go do my hair and makeup and get ready, and then I'll film a little video and show you guys what I ended up putting together. Hey guys, so as I mentioned, I'm on my way to dinner tonight with Nina Shoes at Laduree, and this is the final look. So I built my look around the shoes they sent me. They're super fun, red and feathery. So then I wanted to pick up on the red in my look, but didn't want it to be too simple, of course, typical me. So this blouse is actually a vintage Givenchy top that I got at Designer Revival. I actually borrowed it for New York Fashion Week, but then I loved it so much that I asked them if I could buy it, so I did. And then my skirt is super, super old J. Crew. I think I bought this when I was either an intern or an assistant years ago, but it's actually a really great piece. Maybe because I love the red and the blue together and I wear it all the time. And then my bag is so fun. It was custom made for me. It's from this brand called Island to East Side. And look, she put Making It in Manhattan on the back, and then of course Caroline on the front. So I felt like the red and the purple and the blues kind of played off the shirt, so it all kind of worked together. So this is the final look. I'm running late, of course, so I gotta run and grab an Uber to the event, but I'll see you there.